In this video, I will show you how to connect Google domain to WordPress. Now, in order to do that, just head over here to your Squarespace domains because Google domain has been account or acquired by Squarespace in the past. So just search in here for the domain that you want to use, and then you can see in here some domain options like .com, .net, and .org. Just choose which one you want to use. Now for this one right here, just head over and then just purchase it right there by clicking on this checkout option and then just check out and buy it. So once you have bought this domain, head over right here to your WordPress, scroll down and click onto the settings right here. Now scroll down until you can see the site address. You can see in here the custom domain just below that. Click on that right there. Then just input right here the domain that we have just purchased from Squarespace or Google domain, and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to purchase that.